So right next door to Chinatown is Paddy's Market. It's actually the market, but underneath of it, it has Paddy's Market. And it's open Thursday through Sunday, and it's like a big flea market. We're here on a Thursday, and it's very slow. Excuse me, it's open Wednesdays. It's very slow, so the weekend's a good time to come with everybody here, but the crowd is a lot lower here than if you were here on the weekend, I'm sure. So let's go check out Paddy's Market. So here at Paddy's, you can get a haircut, you can get food, you can find currency, you can even find kangaroo balls that they turn into bottle openers. Don't get it, but they got it. Sometimes things get lost in translation, even when they're English. Those don't look like anything else I've seen any women wear. So if you are looking for some affordable souvenirs, you've got to check out Paddy's Market for sure. So we probably got, I'd say, $800 or $900 worth of souvenirs, and it probably costs us about $300. So very affordable. and good quality too. And a lot of it's all local. So come check out Paddy's Market.